Hello scholars, how are you all? I'm Miss Neelam Modi, a social science educator from Countryside International School. And children, this is a lesson 5, My India. And this is the fourth video of your chapter, lesson number 5. Children, this chapter is showing amazing different things of our country, right? And today we will see more fine things of our country. What are the things which we are going to study today? Are first is Great Indian Desert and second one is islands, that is the most interesting part, and last one is the coastal plains. Okay, but before that children will first recall the things which we have studied in the last video. So let's recall. We have seen that Himalaya is a Sanskrit word. Himalaya कौन सा word है? Sanskrit word है, which means the house of the snow. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? House of snow. Hima means snow or Arya means house. So that is called the house of snow. Then children, we have seen that Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra and Yamuna, these are the some rivers which are formed by the melting of glaciers. वो glaciers के melt होने से बनती है. But what are glaciers? Yes, glaciers are the large masses of ice. Can you see in the picture how big these masses of ice are? Large mass of the ice which are formed by the melting of the glaciers. Okay. Then children, we have seen that those rivers which are originate from Himalayas, they makes the soil very fertile. कैसे? जो रिवर आती है वो अपने साथ सॉइल को लेकर आती है एंड वो सिल्ट में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है एंड दे मेक द सॉइल वेरी फर्टाइल which is very useful for growing different kinds of the crops. Okay, and this type of soil is suitable for growing different kinds of crops. These are the things which we have seen in the last video. Today we will go ahead and we will start with the Great Indian Desert. Children, name itself says that Great Indian Desert. India का सबसे बड़ा desert. So what is this? Towards the northwestern part of India lies the Great Indian Desert. जो नॉर्थ वेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया है वहां पे कौन सा डेजर्ट आता है? ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द थार डेजर्ट. उसका दूसरा नाम क्या होता है? थार डेजर्ट. चिल्ड्रन, लेट मी टेल यू इन द पिक्चर दैट दिस इज द ग्रेट इंडियन डेजर्ट जो राजस्थान में सिचुएटेड है. And you can see in this image जो राजस्थान वाला पोर्शन है, this is covered with the sand. वो full of sand है and it's known as Great Indian Desert. Children, it is situated in the northwestern part of the India. You can see this. ये है north side और west side. ऊपर की साइड है और west में है. north western part of India. Children, this area ना is covered with full of sand. ये sand से covered है पूरा और वहाँ पे बहुत कम rainfall होता है. Very little rainfall is there. That's why there are many small crops, बहुत कम crops है which can grow over there. जैसे कि plants which can survive in dry conditions such as date, palm and cactus. These are found in desert region. ये सारे plants कहाँ पे grow होते हैं? Desert region में. Date means खजूर होता है वो. Cactus plant you might have seen. Okay, so that was all about Great Indian Desert. Now children, will go ahead with the islands. This is the most interesting part. What are the islands, children? Highlands are the area of land that is surrounded by water on all four sides. मतलब एक लैंड का टुकड़ा होता है एंड चारों साइड से वो पानी से कवर होता है. हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट लुक्स, राइट? दैट इज आइलैंड. सी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट लुक्स. This is the area of land. This is the area of land that is covered with the water on all of four sides. Okay. But children, in India there are two main group of islands. कितने हैं? Two main groups of islands are there. First one is the Andaman and Nicobar Island and second one is the Lakshadweep Island. Now children, let me show you in the map that Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated over here, यहाँ पे है, and Lakshadweep Island is situated over here. देखो दोनों आइलैंड पानी में है और चारों साइड पानी में है. So this is a piece of land and it is covered with water on all of its four sides. Do you know children that जो अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड है वो कौन से ओशन में है? बे ऑफ बंगाल में है और लक्षद्वीप आइलैंड अरेबियन सी में है. ये दोनों वाटर बॉडीज में है. देखो अंडमान एंड निकोबार इज इन द वाटर बॉडी ऑफ बे ऑफ बंगाल and Lakshadweep Island is in the water body of Arabian Sea. See children, these are the small things but it's very important from exam point of view. I can ask you the island which is situated in Bay of Bengal. In foreign world I can ask you this. So you have to answer Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay children, in the this was all about the islands. Now we'll go ahead with the coastal plains. Coastal plains क्या होता है बेटा? देखो the southern plateau, I know children that southern plateau is left out, वो हम करेंगे but पहले ये छोटे छोटे topics easy वाले हैं वो cover कर लेंगे. So what is southern plateau? The southern plateau is surrounded by flat land on both the sides. जो दोनों side से flat land से cover होता है, that area is called southern plateau. Let me show you in the picture. See, this is the Deccan plateau comes under the southern plateau. तो ये जो दोनों साइड पे ब्राउन कलर के बाहर ये जो येलो कलर है, दिस वन ब्राउन कलर और ब्लू कलर के बीच में ये जो येलो कलर है, दिस इज द कोस्टल प्लेन्स. उसको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? दिस इज कॉल्ड द कोस्टल प्लेन्स विच इज ऑन द बोथ द साइड्स. इट इज नोन एज कोस्टल प्लेन्स. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, the climate जो होता है कोस्टल प्लेन में, that is neither too hot नॉट टू कोल्ड. वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी भी नहीं लगती है और बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी भी नहीं होती है. लेट मी टेल यू, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कोस्टल प्लेन्स इन इंडिया. दैट इज द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज द western coastal plain. See in this picture you can see very nicely, ये जो blue color का होता है that is the coastal plain, eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains, right? You can see in this image also, ये जो black color की line है वो पूरी coastal plain है. Okay, so this was all about coastal plains. Children, that's all for the today, and in the next video we'll study about the southern plateau and some textual exercise. So children, refer students book and make the proper notes of it. Okay, till the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.